Oh, hey, bud. I heard that you just finished your repair form, bud. Congrats. Anywho, I'm Matt. That rhymes with pack, and I'm here to show you how to package your items for shipment. It all starts with a nice unbranded box like this, or an unbranded padded shipping envelope like this. First-class mailing labels can use any unbranded box or packaging that you'd like to ship your item in. We send out first-class mail shipping labels for a wide variety of products that we repair, and the only thing that you really have to know about them is that each label has a weight limit on it. And if you surpass this weight limit, you will be charged additional fees from the post office. So the only stipulation with the packaging that you choose is the total weight with your item inside of it. That means that if you want to send in an Apple Watch for repair, we would recommend putting it in some bubble wrap and then putting that inside a nice padded envelope. If you're sending a Nintendo Switch into us for repair, we'd recommend that you put some cardboard over the front screen and then wrap it in some bubble wrap and then place that into a lovely unbranded box. How does my beard look? Does it look fine? Yeah? My mustache? Do you think they need to know about the packaging being snug? If you are going to ship your item in inside of a box, we recommend that your item is snugly packed inside of the box so that it can't wiggle or shake around so as to avoid any further damage in shipment. Now, I know that when you go to the post office, there's all sorts of distracting, beautiful bubble mailers and boxes that are so nicely labeled, so wonderfully labeled, Priority Mail Express and Priority Mail Flat Rate. If you use these packages, the post office will graciously charge you additional fees on your shipping service that will then be added on to your repair bill. First class mail does not come with any shipping insurance. So if you either are outside of the US or you want additional shipping insurance on your order, you will need to purchase your own shipping label. Once your item is nicely packaged, we would recommend that you drop it off with a postal service worker in a place where they can scan it in front of your face. If you leave it on your porch for a daily postal service worker to come and pick it up at some point, or simply drop it in a drop box at a post office, there is a small chance that it might not make it to us. And so to relieve yourself from any undue stress, we would recommend that you either wait in line at the post office to have it scanned in, or you follow the link in the email that we sent you to learn about USPS picking the package up from you at your house. If you request a pickup, they'll scan it in right in front of your face and even give you a nice receipt. Lastly, please do not send any accessories in with your item. This includes charging cables, charging docks, Apple Watch bands, and other items such as original packaging or manuals. We offer all of this advice on shipping your item into us in hopes that it will make this process even more smooth than you could ever imagine. If you do have any additional questions for us, please feel free to reach out via text, email, or phone call, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We look forward to talking with you.